In front of me is REALME GT 70, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on OK in welcome pop-up. Choose Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tab menu. Edit your shortcuts by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Edit Tiles. Look for Caffeine 1 under More Tiles. Click on it. Go back and tap on it here. As you can see, my shortcut is blue, which means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To turn it off, tap on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!